Welcome to Visa Reservations Visa channel. I'm Jill and today I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about how to apply for a Denmark Schengen visa from the United States. Before we get going, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Denmark is a popular Schengen destination with lots of exciting things to do. Cities like Copenhagen and Aarhus are good choices if you want to shop, eat and drink, or wander around museums or see beautiful architecture. For a more outdoors experience, Denmark has around 400 islands to explore, each with its own character. The most northern town of Skagen is a good place to visit for its Berry Church, lighthouses and white sandy beaches. The Wadensee National Park is also in this region and is a great place for hiking and swimming. Before you even start an application for a Schengen visa for Denmark, it's important to note that if you're a US citizen and plan to go to Denmark for up to 90 days, you do not need a visa. In fact, over 50 countries can travel to Europe visa-free. However, if you're a non-US citizen living in the United States, you will need a visa to travel to Denmark for up to 90 days. You may have different reasons for going to Denmark, as a student or a tourist, for work or business, or you may have family reasons. Whatever your reason for travelling to Denmark, let's look at the type of visas you can apply for. There are two types of visas that you may apply for, and the one you need will depend on the duration of your trip and the purpose of your stay in Denmark. The Schengen visa is for tourism, business, cultural or scientific events, or visiting family and friends for a maximum of 90 days. The national visa is for work, study, religious reasons or permanent residence for over 90 days. There are different categories of short and long stay visas, and the one you apply for will depend on why you're travelling to Denmark. Where to apply? The Consulate General of Denmark in New York will make the decision about whether to grant your visa or not, but you will submit your application to one of the VFS Global offices in the US. These offices are located in New York, Washington DC, Houston, Chicago and San Francisco. How to apply? Before you begin the process of applying for your visa, take a look at VFS Global's website to find out all the information about the application procedure, what is required and how to go about it. It takes around 15 days for the consulate in New York to make a decision about visa applications, and you can apply up to 90 days ahead, so you should apply well in advance. It's strongly recommended that you submit your application no later than 30 to 45 days prior to departure for the following reasons. Number one, it can take up to 14 days to get an appointment with VFS Global. Number two, application process does not begin until it arrives at the Consulate General in New York. Plus, the shipping of your documents to and from the consulate adds 1 to 2 days to the processing time. And number three, if you submit your application less than 15 days before your trip, it may still be accepted at VFS Global, but the final decision might be taken after the date of departure. To help you apply for your Denmark visa, here are a few steps you can follow. Step 1. Identify visa type. Step 2. Begin your application. Step 3. Book an appointment. Step 4. Pay your fees. Step 5. Visit a visa application centre. Step 6. Track your application. And Step 7. Collect your passport. Let's look at each step in turn. Step 1. Identify visa type. Go to VFS Global's website and under Step 1 you'll see a link to check your visa type. You will find all the information relating to the different types of visas you can apply for. Make sure you choose the correct one and read all the information before proceeding to the next step. Step 2. Begin your application. Once you've identified the visa type, please fill the online application form. Go to Step 2 and click on the link for Apply Visa, where you can complete the application form online. Apply Visa is the portal for registering and completing your application. Click on How to Apply online, and you'll see a number of steps that you need to complete in order to do this. Read this information before proceeding. You'll need to register yourself as a new user, then you can log in and complete your visa application, which will be submitted online to the consulate in New York. Your application will not be processed until the consulate has received all other documents, which you must hand over to VFS Global. Step 3. Book an appointment. On VFS Global's website, go to Step 3 and click on the link to book an appointment. You'll need to create an account and then log in to do this. Once you've booked your appointment, you'll receive an appointment confirmation email along with a letter of appointment. Step 4. Pay your fees. The visa fee will need to be paid when you're completing your online application. VFS Global also charge a service fee which is payable when you book your appointment. All fees are non-refundable, and that's even if your application is rejected. The current fee for Schengen visas is €80 or $87 and is payable in US dollars. Step 5. Visit a visa application centre. On the day of your appointment, aim to arrive 15 minutes early. You must attend the appointment in person and take all supporting documentation. At the centre, you also need to submit your fingerprints and photograph, which is known as biometric information. A digital finger scanner collects images of all 10 digits and you'll have a digital photo taken. Without this information, your application will not be processed. If you miss your appointment on the scheduled day, you will need to book a new appointment after 24 hours from your original appointment date. Step 6. Track your application. When a decision has been made, you will receive an email informing you. You may also be able to receive a text message, but you should check whether this service is available at the visa application centre you're visiting. You can also track your visa application online. To do this, click on the link and key in your reference number and last name. Step 7. Collect your passport. After a visa application decision has been made, you can pick up your passport from VFS Global. The decision will be either approved and you'll find your visa attached to one of the blank pages inside your passport, or rejected, and this would have been for a specific reason, and you should have the ability to appeal the decision. So now we've looked at how to apply for a visa, but what about supporting documents that are required as part of your application? Documents include visa application cover letter, a colour photo, receipt for the payment, passport and any previous Schengen visas, US residence card or US visa, proof of sufficient funds and proof of employment, flight itinerary, hotel reservation and travel medical insurance. There could be other documents that are required depending on your reason for visiting Denmark, so it's best to check the full list of documents before you submit your application. VFS Global has a document checklist which you can refer to. So now you know how to apply for a Denmark visa from the US. Get that application started. If you'd rather make this process even easier and faster, you can use visareservation.com services to help with your visa application. Just so you know, most embassies or consulates require flight itineraries as part of a visa application, but they recommend that you do not purchase tickets before your visa is approved. If your visa application is rejected, you will not be refunded for any flight ticket you've bought. Visa reservation can help with flight reservations, which are perfect for visa applications to approve travel plans. Visa reservation also offers hotel bookings, travel insurance, booking appointments, visa interview guides, and much more. Why choose visa reservation? Well, all our itineraries are verifiable, support for any country visa, 24/7 customer support, group discounts, 100% buyer protection and refund available if your visa is denied, affordable pricing and reliable service. To use visa reservation services, all you need to do is follow 3 simple steps. Number 1, choose a package that suits your needs. Number 2, submit travel details and pay. Number 3, receive your itinerary by email. That's all there is to it. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and visit our website for up-to-date information on everything you need to know about applying for visas for Europe. Thanks for watching and see you next time.